Hi, I'm back. Grandma Ray don't play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to talk to you today about the benefits of ginger tea. Ginger tea. Okay, so this is the ginger tea that I use. It's called honey ginger tea. Okay, you see, ginger looks like this picture here. Okay, that's what it looks like if you go to the grocery store. The problem with the fresh ginger is it's really hard to peel, and when you take the peeling off, you don't really have much left. Okay, so I found this tea, and it comes in 20 tea bags like this. Well, 20 packs like this. It's not a tea bag. I'm going to show you what it is. Let me open this. I'm going to move the camera down so you can see. No, I can't see. Wait a minute. Let me do this. Can you see it? No, you can't. There we go. See, it looks like little brown spots, right? Like brown pieces. Okay. There we go, right there. Alright. So, this is better than you buying the fresh ginger and peeling it and doing all of that, because this is the same as the fresh to me. You can add this in food. You can make ginger iced tea. You can make ginger hot tea. Ginger is very, very, very good for you. Okay. One thing that it does is it stops dizziness. I know that right away. Okay. You drink the cup of ginger tea and the dizziness goes away. I don't know what's in ginger to stop the dizziness, but that works. Okay. It also stops nausea, muscle pain, and soreness. Okay. Anti-inflammatory, arthritis. Oh, big word there. Arthritis. Helps with arthritis. Oh yeah, you need ginger. Digestion, bowel production, helps food move through the body. Helps food move through the body. Wow. It helps with the cold and the flu. Now, if you drink the ginger, immediately it's going to open all of this up. Okay? It helps with the cold and flu. Pain reduction, and vascular, like the heart health. It helps with that. Okay? So I'm recommending that you, for the summer, make a picture with, and if you know, ginger's very strong. Okay? So if you can't stand the whole bag, put half in the picture, right? And mix it with something else that you like, and so that you can digest it. Because it's really important that you have ginger. Now, all of these different herbal teas that I'm recommending to you, you know, you can just mix them all together in a pot and boil them all together, and then make one big pitcher, and then you have all the benefits all in one pitcher. How about that? You don't have to drink 1 cup at a time of each one. That's what I do, because then I solve a lot of problems with just 1 glass or 1 cup. Okay? Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is, it says California Dieters Drink. California Dieters Drink. It is also in like a tea bag. Okay? Let me get this open and show you. Now, what this does is help you to lose weight. So if you just want to maintain your weight, you take 1 tea bag a day. If you want to lose weight, you take 2 tea bags a day. See, it comes in a tea bag like this. Okay? California Dieters Drink. It works, let me tell you. Now, let me get my paperwork here and tell you all what that does. Okay, I got it. California Dieters Drink. It helps you to lose weight safely. You know, all of these teas are herbs. God put herbs in the nation for the healing of the body. All herbs, okay? It cleans your system of impurities. Now, if you don't clean your system of impurities, those impurities will start developing some kind of disease or sickness. So you need to clean your system, okay? And especially the bowel tract, because this California tea will make you move your bowels for sure, okay? So your bowel tract, it can hold a lot of bowel, a whole lot. And if you don't clean that out on a regular basis, what happens is all, excuse my language, but all the stool will be up in there, and you move your bowels once in a while, or maybe once every 3 days or something like that. Well, all of that stool is still inside you, and only a little is coming out at a time. That's why when you move your bowels and it smells really, really bad, that's because the bowel has been in there a long time. And so when it's in there a long time, it is not healthy. Okay? You need to get that out, because that's the whole purpose of having a bowel, is to relieve the stool out of you, not leave the stool in you. Okay? And sometimes people walk around with a big stomach. Usually that's related to the bowels. Not all, but definitely some of that. Okay? So you need to get the stool out. So it also causes extra bowel movement to remove saturated fat. Woo! Big word. Remove saturated fat. Now, if you eat any fried food, fatty food, you have saturated fat, and you want to get that out of you. Okay? So that's one of the things that when you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to get rid of the saturated fat. And saturated fat comes from fried foods, fatty foods, desserts, and red meat. Okay, so if you can cut back on eating so much red meat, that will help with the saturated fat. Yes, I eat red meat, but if we can cut back, which I have cut back, that can help with the saturated fat. Okay. Useful for people with abdominal distensions and habitual constipation. So if you're a person that you are constantly dealing with constipation, meaning you can't move your bowels, you need to be drinking this on a regular basis. So maybe you need 1 tea bag a day, or maybe you need 2 tea bags a day. You'll find that out once you start drinking the California drink tea. Okay? And just keep that on a regular basis. So for myself, I drink the California tea every other day, because if I drink it one every day, it moves me too much to the point where my bowels get loose. So I control it by drinking it every other day, and that works for me. Then I'm moving on a regular basis every day, and it's not runny and loose. Okay? Okay, so you remember, use 2 tea bags if you want to lose weight, or if you have a constipation problem. Use 1 tea bag if you just want to maintain your weight and regulate your bowels that way. Okay? Okay, how about that? Now that's a lot of good information, right? And you know, why not just take and mix the California tea with the turmeric, with the ginger, and just have one big pitcher. You know, taste it first, try a little first, and see if you like the taste. If you don't like the taste, then maybe mix the ones that you like together, and use the other ones that you have to now really doctor up with something else in another setting that you would drink. Like, you know, maybe you want ginger by itself, so that you just have a 4-ounce cup of ginger. Whatever the situation is. So we need to get on this herbal tea remedies and incorporate that in our diet. Okay, you can also you can cook with these teas. You know, you make it into a liquid form and then incorporate it that way. The problem with cooking with it is you're not gonna eat the whole pot of food. So you're not gonna get all the nutrition that way. You're gonna get a little, somebody else is gonna get a little, somebody else is gonna get a little. But you still can do it, you know, or just have a picture of it, and then if you drink a 4-ounce glass or 8-ounce glass, at least you know you got what you need for the day. Okay? Okay, so I hope you like this video on the ginger and the California drink, and go out and get them. I got the California drink from the Asian store for $2.99, and I got this ginger from the Asian store. I believe the ginger was $3.99. Okay. Okay, so Grandma Ray is helping you out with your health diet. Okay. All right, share the video, hit the like button, please hit the like button. And thank you for caring about me and sharing about me and passing the word about me. I really, 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 really look forward to serving you. I love my YouTube family. Please subscribe if this is your first time on the video. Okay? Alright, talk to you all soon. Keep it real. And the word of the day: herbal tea is healthy for you. Herbal tea is healthy for your family. Herbal tea is a food product, so it's just like herbs, like oregano or any spice. It's just like that. Okay, so it's nothing harmful. It's nothing that's gonna hurt you. It can only help you, and you can benefit from it. And if you got a garden this summer, plant some of these in your garden, so then you can get your supply and you can dry it out in the air fryer oven, and you can have it all year round. How about that? Huh? Okay, Grandma Ray Don't Play loves you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.